We're going to talk about some free AI tools that can help you make money on TikTok. With the TikTok creativity program and the TikTok shop on the rise, you can utilize these AI tools and make more money online as at now. People between 15 to 18 years are making $1,000 per day, and some of these kids are even making $10,000 per month utilizing the power of AI on TikTok with TikTok faceless pages. So what are you waiting for? You can join the trend. I have lots of tutorials on my channel that you can learn from, and it's going to help you along the way. So if you're starting out with this side hustle of running faceless TikTok pages and you do not have the budget to use these AI tools, I've packed together some free AI tools when you're about starting with this side hustle. I personally use these tools myself, and I do not like paying for paid plans. Before we start, if you haven't considered subscribing to the channel, then you know what to do. Now let's start. Alright, so the first tool we're going to talk about is Microsoft Designer. Now, when you head on to designer.microsoft.com, this website has a list of features that you can use, and they are absolutely free. We have image creator, sticker creator, design creator. In this case, I'm going to explore and then select one of these creators and then use it to create a free sample for you guys to see. So right here, I am going to select the image creator tool, and then we're going to generate an image. This is what I use in creating my avatar for TikTok videos. All right, so this is a prompt: a cute colorful monster peeks out of a giant pile of laundry on blah blah blah. So I'm going to just click on generate, and you can see that it's going to generate me 4 variations of these images, and I can select one of these images. All right, so here we go. It generated me 4 images, and these images are of high quality, and then you can compile these images and make videos, which I'm about to show you in a while. Okay, let me just give it a prompt: a herbal doctor. This is the prompt I give when I want to generate a 3D avatar for my TikTok videos. All right, so I'm just going to click on generate, and you can see that right here generated me avatar, a herbal doctor. All right, the next tool that we're going to talk about is the bench image creator. This website works similar to the first website I showed you, which is the Microsoft Designer, and that is by Copilot. All right, you can explore some prompts right here, or you can generate a prompt on your own. You can then paste the prompts from the previous one, and I'm going to click on create to create images for me right here. After waiting for a while, you can see that it's going to generate you 3 or 4 variations of these images of herbal doctors. Okay, so you can select any one of these and use it as your avatar if you want to create a video on TikTok for the TikTok creativity program or the TikTok shop. You can just click on download to download these images. The next website is beta.meetaugie.com. This website works similar to 11 Labs, and so if you cannot afford 11 Labs, you can come here at meetaugie.com, and then it's in a beta stage, so it is absolutely free. You can then paste any type of subtitles or any type of script right here, and you're going to read it to you. This free text-to-speech software has the most popular voice that everybody is using on 11 Labs, called Adam. So let me just click on preview, and we're going to preview the voice to see if it is true or not. From here, I'm going to click on the play.
How to refresh your hair naturally from years of damage with liquid morning multivitamin from Mary Ruth Organics. Take 2 tablespoons.
And you can see that this is exactly the voice on 11 Labs. You can scroll through to choose the voice that best suits you, and all these voices are on 11 Labs as well, and this is absolutely free. You have 5,000 characters to input here, and this website is totally free. I've been using it to generate text-to-speech files for my TikTok videos, and I haven't had any problem. Let's preview another voice called Abigail to see. Let's click on play.
How to refresh your hair.
It's going to play the voice throughout. So you can select any of these voices, and the final part is to download it if you want the audio that you created. Okay, so to do this, you just click on the 3 straight bars right here, or dots, sorry, and then you're going to click on download to download the whole thing. All right, the next website is runwayml.com, and this website can literally turn any picture into a video or animation. To do this, we head on to the website, and then we're going to select an option that says text or image to video. Now we're going to click on this prompt or this option here, and it's going to take us to where we can generate. Now I'm going to go back to my image creation tool, and I'm going to give it a prompt to create a flying dog or something. All right, so a flying Superman cat. I do not like these images because let me generate another one. And here we have a flying cat. I'm going to select one of these images and try and animate it with runwayml.com. So from here, I'm going to click on download to download this. Head back to Runway and then import the image right there. Here you'll be given the option to add a scene. I'm just going to leave it that way, and from there I'm going to click on generate. It's going to generate you a 4-second video that you can compile a list of these videos and create a whole TikTok video. Click on generate and it's going to generate the video for you. You have almost about 250 credits when you first sign up and verify your email. All right, so you have almost about 250 credits left, and then once you finish or exhaust this, you can create a new account and then start using it or continue using it from there. All right, so the video is being rendered and you're gonna wait for a few minutes for the videos to complete. Now let's wait. After waiting for 1 minute, this is the video we got. So I'm gonna increase the size right here so that you can see. All right, from there I'm gonna click on play and play. You can see that the cat is flying and the cape on the cat is even moving. This is so amazing, guys. And then you can try this out and compile a list of images to create a video on TikTok. To download, just click on the download icon right here and it's going to be downloaded onto your device. All right. The next website we talk about is LEIAPIX Converter, and this works similar to the previous website I just showed you, www.leiapix.com. Now, this website can turn 2D images into 3D. So I'm going to try it out right here by creating a prompt or to form an image, and then after I'm done, I'm going to use that image and convert it to 3D. From here, I'm going to go to my image creation tool and I'm going to give it a prompt, an image of a hamburger. That is the images it gave me, and I am going to select one of these images and turn it from 2D to 3D. So from here, I'm going to select one of these 4 variations and I'm going to click on download. From here, I'm going to go to LEIAPIX and then I'm going to import the image right here. Now, I'm going to list all the tools in the description so you can click on them if you cannot find it by searching. You can see that after waiting for a while, the image is being converted into 3D and you can see some movement right here. You can adjust it with some settings here, which I'm not going to dive deep into it. Let's export it. You can change the duration to 60 minutes. You can see that this is also in a beta mode, so free beta, which is absolutely free. You'll be given some credits, and once you expire the credit, you can create a new account. You'll be able to download the 720p with a free version, so you click on export, which is not bad. It has a high quality. I'm going to show you the quality in a while. This is the quality, and you can see that the hamburger sandwich is actually 3D. The next website is ChatGPT, which is the almighty ChatGPT. Everybody uses this. I'm just going to give it a prompt to create a script for me. That's all I use it for. Just a prompt to write a script on how to prepare a hamburger sandwich. From there, you can copy this prompt and put it in beta.meetaugie.com to generate a voiceover, and then you can create AI videos. After combining all these AI tools, this is what I was able to create.
3 herbs that all smokers should know about. Wild cherry bark thins and removes mucus from the lungs. Fennel seeds relaxes respiratory muscles for smoother